Today I'm at Fellowship Bible Church where I've created a scavenger hunt for some of the staff to compete in. To start off, each person has been given one line of a riddle. In order to find the rest of their teammates, they'll have to find the other line and the answer to the riddle. Once their team is complete, they'll come to me to find further instructions for the scavenger hunt. On your mark, get set, look at your papers. Three people in your team.
I think you guys wait.
If you think you have a team, come to me and I'll let you know.
Oh no, we got a brownie face.
Not quite.
Yeah. Okay.
Voiceless that cries, wingless flutters, toothless bites, mouthless mutters.
Got it. Yeah! All right, what do we got?
Never thirsty, ever drinking, all on meal, never clinking. Fish, alive without breath, as cold as death.
Got it. All right.
Yes! Okay.
Use the pictures and the paper.
I know we're winning.
Okay.
Up it goes, and yet never grows.
What has roots as nobody sees is taller than trees.
You guys got it. All right. Okay. There you go.
Whoa.
So use that in conjunction with
the picture.
It'll make more sense once you find your first clue.
Okay.
We're going.
Oh, okay, so these lines don't matter, so no, 8, 10. Hey, there's also here. Oh! Yeah, go where they went to see if there's something. Oh! Wait, what?
A10. Maybe you need to
Oh, gotcha.
color it in. 7.
Okay, I'm clicking on.
Got it. Got it.
B. So what is it? B4.
B4. Okay.
Who cares?
Turn it.
My glasses. Where are my glasses?
Can you see?
No, you're so right.
There is a
reflection.
and there's, I can't tell what's on this side, but it's like coasters and where is this?
What was it?
Oh.
We got toast!
A8. Yeah, guys, we still have this weird one too, but
Yeah, I don't know even where to start. It looks like a bug.
I know.
Let's get away from these people. We can't be near them.
There's a table. There's a table with a green. That's our table, guys. Don't we have that white thing in the middle of ours? Our circle table? But we don't have any shelving like that. This is our. Oh. No, but seriously, there's a
Could this be the reflection off the
TV?
TV?
Do we have any kind of shelving?
Could this be the reflection off the
Is
TV?
there in one of their offices? And it's showing out.
Or
Let's go. Let's go see.
that's our table.
That is our
This is
table.
the reflection off the TV.
I bought that. I know it's mine.
It was a thought.
Center up to the roof.
Yes.
Is that the door?
Maybe.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Is that one?
Yep.
Yes. Thank goodness.
What else do you bake?
Guys. Isn't there a little kid oven downstairs that they play with?
Stupid, yes. Look at that knob.
What's wrong with that?
Okay, we're good.
Ah.
Oh! Where's the stuffed thingy?
What about that
Where's
stupid
the stuff?
squirrel?
No, I.
All right, add it. Go.
Okay.
What are you doing here?
Oh, did you find you here? Do you have, it's just a team of one right now?
Yep. Divide and conquer.
You're not supposed to.
I know.
Okay. Then get out of here. Where's your team? We don't even like you.
Did you? Well, I have a pregnant lady with me, so I said I'll run.
Why are you not carrying her on your back?
It does change color.
Is that a bush outside?
I feel like it's a
It's
bush.
bush up in the.
I think it's a bush.
Yeah.
Where?
It's outside.
I wonder if there's anything to set my drink on.
Yes, you do. There's a table over there. Just move the top of it.
Oh, dang it.
I know where that is.
You know where it's at? Are we hot or cold? Hot or cold?
Well, you're on the right track, like somewhere I go.
Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you. Oh man. What?
Oh, me. Okay.
Yay! Okay.
Really loudly, we wonder where the cross in the shelving is. And maybe the answer will come.
There's the shelving. Oh, it's from the top of the.
Oh my gosh, you're kidding me! It's not a trash can, it's this. Oh my gosh, it's right here.
Yep. Where is it?
Who came in here?
I don't know.
Okay, let's just go do our work and then.
Or just write it down.
All right.
Okay, never mind.
So annoying.
That wasn't it.
Why did we come in a deeper dive here?
I don't know.
V16. Yep. F2.
Yep.
B2.
Helping lines. Yeah, so these would be across.
Box.
Box, yes.
Downstairs.
These feel good? $15 gift card.
You know it's really fun? Winning.
Oh.
Did you win? Congrats.
Alright, keep going.
Is this supposed to make us like each other more?
I think it is. I think it is supposed to like you more.